Hey everyone, welcome to Last Fantasy Gaming. Sorry the video is a bit late. We are doing July 2025 Patreon for D&D minis, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon Discord down below. All the links we'll be looking at will be down for you guys below as well. And yeah, this is all for your 3D printing needs for it. So we have RN Studio. This one they do like random stuff the size of like D&D miniatures, Warhammer miniatures as well, proxy as well. Jesus Christ tribes. What? Is that Jesus Christ on a freaking lion? I think that's supposed to be the tribe one. Uh, Apostle. Yeah, I'm not much of a religious person. This is the champions tier for this month, so it's big old bitty girls doing summer sports. Let's see here. It's June. We got Sasuke, Madara. I forget the first Hokage's name was. But anyhow, this is the one. We got One Piece figures. And we got Beauty and Disney, like Beauty and Beast and Cars. This is what I care for. Gotcha Games Volume 1. Oh, yeah. I'm going to print that one. Big old biddies. Everyone knows me, and you know me. I'm a pervert. Rescale miniature. This used to be Lost Prince, Lord of Prince. I mean, they do pretty good prints, especially for like dragon kinds as well. I think that's supposed to be Pits of Pestilence. So you might get some Nurgle proxies out of this. They did some Nurgle ones as well. So I like that one. Nurgle on some type of beetle-like creatures. Those are going to be kind of fun to paint. I'm out of what you call it, plague bear's flesh. That'd be probably kind of cool to use to paint that up. So yeah, kind of you can probably use some of these for your Nurgle stuff or Age of Sigmar style for it. Actually, pretty kind of pretty cool. But I gotta look through my stuff. I think some of these like this make it like a size of the Great Unclean one. You could probably do it. I don't know. That's a freaking weird looking one right there. Arcade Games Workshop makes something like this. That makes it so look so damn cool in many ways. But anyhow, but a lot of there's a very good sculptors out there that can, this is like more grim dark and like a lot of Nurgle stuff as well. Like it'd be kind of cool to have a lot of like Nurgle blessings. A lot of the animals they go on different planets and using them as mounts, like this beetle right here. Like all like melted and fleshed out. That'd be kind of cool. Uh, but yeah, there's a lot of beetle ones, flying beetles. Oh, you can use it as what's that? Drones. One of those drone things. Replace the little like insectoids. I would like to say like a mosquito and have like a beetle thing. That'd be kind of cool for your bearers, drone riders as well. I still have the ones I 3D printed as well. It's pretty cool. So yeah, yeah. If you guys want more like proxies for Nurgles, this probably be it for you guys. There's a lot of stuff for it. STL miniature is like mostly for like terrain stuff for you can use for D&D or for Warhammer, but mostly for D&D. I think we have let's see a Pirate Harbor set, swamp zombies, and Philadelphia. I don't know how to pronounce that. And don't forget, no, that's that. Swamp Zombie textile stall. So a bigger picture of it. I don't do a lot of seas or by the sea campaign. I did a sea campaign a few times and it's very difficult to do, especially if your characters aren't prepared. You try to get them to prepare for it at a certain level. It's really cool. But the textile shop I use for like and like the big capital and stuff. Zombie swamp, that's actually pretty cool. Zombie was a lot of mushrooms. These will be your Floridian zombies right here. And yeah, and this one too is like a insect mixed with a fucking ferret. I would say. Nom Nom figures. This is where you get your chibis and your full-fledged figures. I think this is the past month. I think this is your loot box as well. I think this is from Chrono Cross. No, this is from Chrono Trigger. And your little your keycaps, and you get these three full figure and these two chippy figures as well. Let's see if we can vote for stuff. Number six. Let me see this one. Pyra. Let me see this. This is the August throwback. Uh, Probably pick Alien for Ashley. And this is a chibi character poll. I'll do Miku. Ashley loves Miku. For this is a model of July that's coming out as well. I'm really interested on the keycap because I'm gonna have to paint them even though they're kind of small. And I do have a very dirty keyboard I can might be able to replace if they actually fit the keycap for this. I know all the keycaps are the same size. This is the June recap one you can get as well. Yeah, this is Chrono Trigger for it. Expedition diorama announcement incoming. I have the game, haven't played it. I'll probably play it when I'm on my summer break for the month. I'll be playing Little Witch Nights 2 Enhanced Edition first. We got Ruben, figure. This is a July month as well. Rosanna Epamnicki and Abby De Mara from Zero Zone Zentless. Yes, that's what we want. Oh, I just went back to links on this one now. That's fine. If it loads, full figure for that, and a full figure for this. That's kind of cool. I gotta get some actual stencils or figure to do like tattoo stuff on the skin. OXO3D figure, art sharing. Do this one from Cyberpunk. That's June recap right here. So this can probably be July right there if you have a July exclusive release. Some Demon Child. Supergirl for July release. Well, it is summer, so they're gonna be wearing a lot of bikinis for it, but we'll see how it goes for that. Anime Girl STL. We get Lou Parisgina Beta from Overlord. Comes in nude. We also got the Dragon Princess, Dragon Queen from the the Monster Doctor anime. Gamescape 3D. This is terrain. If you want to use filaments for your D&D campaign, or you use it for D&D as well. So we got a full, looks like a chapel tower. Really big one as well. They do come, top parts do come apart, so you have people coming in as well. I did actually print some of these in filament, especially the terrain style for it. I just gotta fucking get some rattle can and get it done. This will be the last one. 3D art guy. For this, I think is no, that's not going to be Corsairs. July. So we got I forgot that damn Protoss, the evil Protoss ray race called. That's this one. We got some Eldar. We got Chaos. and we also have a knight as well, warlord titan that's coming out. So if you want some proxies, this is probably it you want. I think this is style for, looks like Dark Knight one, but you guys should probably color it out. However, I think they will have stuff to actually replace a whole bunch of stuff for it as well. Got the Eldars. I think it's supposed to be the Warp Spider. Eldar right here. But this style looks like the one from the evil Protoss one from StarCraft. But looks like that's going to be an Eldar. You also have, I believe he's one of the chaplain that became evil in the story. I forgot his name was. But yeah, you got your Warhammer. You can make them as small for miniature size and stuff. That should be a lot easier for you guys. You have a different weapon selection as well. Probably different armor selection for this one. For it, yeah, weapons and heads. You have a Smurf version of it if you want, for like the Ultramarine. This is gonna be kind of cool. Hopefully, my kid would get into Warhammer or painting in general. So I do need extra people to help me paint stuff. That'll be his punishment. You go paint my minis. Better be good. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you have a great day. Bye.